Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to create a new group tab on Chrome. If you're using Google Chrome and you want to create a new group tab or tab group, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser or your Chrome, and here in a new tab, you might see a this type box here. You just have to click on it and then click on create new tab group. So now your tab group is ready. You can create or you can choose the color for your tab. So let's say I'm going to select this one. You can also name this. So for example, I'm going to name it this. Once I've done, your group tab is now ready. Complete previous. If you want to add a new tab in this group, so just right click on it and click on new tab to the right. We can also add a tab to split view, but I'm gonna add a new tab in this right section. So your new tab is ready. So this is your new tab group on Google Chrome. If you want to clear this, just right click on it and then click close tab to the right. So it will be closed. Now you can close this tab also and then delete group and your group will be deleted. So in this way, you can easily create a new group tab in Google Chrome. Very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.